Quit the smokes, quit the booze. I can help you quit your addiction in a single session. True story. And here is one key component that's absolutely crucial and required if you wish to change anything in your life. Whether it's you want to quit smoking, quit alcohol, quit your cocaine habit. It could be you want to lose weight, get off that depressive state of mind, even make more money. I can help you do it. And there is one key component required in this process, and that is to make the choice and make the demand that you are committed to make the change. That's all that is required. Once you make the demand that this crap, this way of living that I'm sick and tired of has got to stop, once you make the choice to make the change and make the demand of yourself to do it, and ask a simple question: what are the infinite possibilities of me quitting quickly, easily, effortlessly? I can help you the rest of the way. My name is Jackie McLean. Please contact me for a free, confidential, discreet consultation and see yourself happy, joyful, free of your addictions so that you can really and truly live a happy, joyful life.